How to play second base in fast-pitch softball. Not familiar with playing second base? New at softball? Asking yourself how to play second base? This article will help guide you on how to be a second baseman/basewoman. Part 1 General Skills. 1. Acquire a glove. Since this is infield, a 12-inch, 30.5 centimeters, should be just fine. A broken-in glove is best. 2. Stand between first and second base. This is your starting position. From here, you can move to cover first or second base, and you're filling the space in between so that you can get any balls hit there. If you have a left-handed batter, take a small step closer to first, not more than a few steps though. If there is a runner on first, step a little to second base. More than likely you will get a throw, and it's faster to run to second when you're closer to the base. 3. Know the count and where the play is. Prepare for every possible situation. Know where to throw the ball if it comes to you, and what base to cover if it doesn't. Talk to your teammates so that you all know where to play the ball. 4. Know where to throw. Always know where the runners are. Try to get the lead runner. They have a better chance of scoring, and getting them out first will make it easier to get future runners. If you are not sure where to play, throw to first. That is your best bet. 5. Watch the lead runner. This gives you a chance to warn the catcher or the player if the runner tries to steal. This can help them respond faster when the runner starts running. 6. Never get distracted. Stay on your toes, ready to move any direction at any moment. Always keep an eye on the batter and the ball. Be ready for anything that comes your way. 7. Have fun. Playing is all about having fun. Don't give off negative attitude. It boosts your spirit and friendship with the other team and also makes the rest of the players on yours and the other's team happier and spirit lifted. Encourage your teammates and always thank the other team for a good game. Part 2 Positioning and making plays. 1. If the ball is hit to first, and the first baseman has to run off, back them up. More than likely you will receive a throw. Don't worry, shortstop will cover your position. 2. If the ball is hit to shortstop or third base, left field, run to second. Shortstop can't cover, so you have to run. 3. When the batter shows bunt, cover first base, because first baseman will come closer to home for a bunt. If you cover first, the catcher, first baseman, or third baseman can throw the ball to you to get the batter out. 4. If the batter shows bunt and there is a runner on first and third, then you will have to cover second base in case there is a throw down from the catcher to you. Shortstop can't cover second because they have to back up third base. 5. Back up your teammates in case of bad throws. Most of the time shortstop covers second base. If there's nowhere else you're supposed to be, back her up. 6. If the ball is hit to the outfield, don't forget about cutoffs. If it is hit far out in left field, you cover second base. If it is far out in right field, then you are to run and be the cutoff. Shortstop will cover second base. 7. After every pitch thrown by the pitcher, back up the throw from the catcher to the pitcher. If there is a runner, they will go on a bad throw from the catcher. If you back up the throw, you could possibly throw the runner out. 8. When a batter gets walked or gets a drop third strike, they might touch first and round it so they can attempt to go to second base. You have to remember to watch the runner and back up the throw in case the runner does run to second. Alert the pitcher when they have the ball if the runner on first is attempting to go to second, because they may not be paying attention and they could throw it to second or first and possibly get the runner out. 9. When there is a runner on second, stop going to second for a throw down because the catcher will rarely throw down to second with a runner there. Just start backing up the pitcher once there is a runner on second. 10. If you have a runner going from first to second and the ball is hit to you, depending on where you are, either throw to first or step on second. In this scenario, you don't have to tag the runner. There will be other events where you have to tag the runner. 11. Know the boundary line between you and shortstop. Think of an imaginary line from the pitcher to the actual second base. Don't intrude when a grounder or pop fly is hit to them, and they won't intrude when a grounder or pop fly is hit to you. Tips: catch with 2 hands. Sometimes the ball will pop out of your glove. Break in your glove. It helps you grip the ball better. Shake it off if you do something wrong. Everyone makes mistakes. Put your non-glove hand on the back of your glove, so when the ball is thrown to you, you can trap it quickly, without the ball falling out of your glove. Warnings: be careful of sliding runners. Some might even push you out of their way. Try not to get hit, it does hurt.